Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today our group will present wireless communication system. First, let me introduce our group members. First one is Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Suhaimi with student ID 2022866076. Next, Nur Atia Sabirah binti Ramli 2022853576. Next is Nur Hana Umaira binti Muhammad Nizam with student ID 2022485556. And lastly is me, Nur Nisrian Abiha binti Nur Hafzan Nizam with student ID 2022879066. So first, what is wireless communication? Wireless communication is a transfer of information between two or more points without the use of an electrical conductor, optical fiber, or other continuous guided medium for the transfer. For example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular network, and satellite.
There are many types of wireless communication systems such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared communication, satellite communication, GPS, cellular, fixed wireless, and also the microwave. Next, we go through the advantages of wireless communication system. We have two advantages, which is the first one, we have environmental benefits. When compared to the wired networks, wireless network can have lower energy consumption and carbon emission, especially as more devices become energy efficient and rely on renewable energy source. Next, we have accessibility. Because wireless technology eliminates the needs of wire and cords, users can communicate while they are on the go. Without the need for additional cables or adapter, you may effortlessly access networks at work. Disadvantages of wireless communication system. Security concerns. Wireless networks are more susceptible to security breaches compared to wired networks. Without proper encryption and authentication measures, wireless transmission can be intercepted by unauthorized users, compromising sensitive data or communication privacy. Next is limited range. Wireless communication systems typically have a limited range compared to wired connection. Signal strength reduces over distance, requiring additional infrastructure such as repeaters or access points to extend coverage, especially in large or complex environments. Lastly is power consumption. Wireless devices require power to transmit and receive signals, which can drain battery life more quickly compared to wired devices. This is particularly relevant for mobile devices like smartphones, tablets, and wearable gadgets. Next, we go to the use of radio wave in wireless communication system. In this topic, we will talk about the four types of wireless communication system, which is cellular networks, satellite, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. First, we go to the use of radio wave in Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi use frequencies to transfer data between your device and a router using radio wave. Two-way frequency can be used depending on the amount of data being sent. The 2.4 GHz band offers better range but a lower data rates, while the 5 GHz bands offer higher data rates but a short range. So how does Wi-Fi work? Now, when we first access an internet, the device translates the request information into binary code, which is zeros and ones. The Wi-Fi chips that is integrated within the gadget convert this binary code into the wave frequency. Next, the frequency travel across the radio channel and received by the Wi-Fi router that our device is connected to. The router then uses a hardwired internet cable to receive the internet traffic that we have requested after translating frequency back into binary code. This process will repeat itself until we have loaded anything that required the internet. The use of radio waves in Bluetooth. Devices connected in a Bluetooth network communicate with each other using ultra-high frequency UHF radio waves. These are electromagnetic waves with frequencies around 2.4 GHz, which is 2.4 billion waves per second. Ultra-high frequency waves of different frequencies are used in microwave ovens, GPS systems, and many other devices.
Next is, what is the use of radio waves in cellular network? Radio waves are used as a primary means for carrying data over a wireless network in cellular network. For example, when the radio waves reach a receiver, the signal is converted back into the information that was originally sent by the transmitter. Like radio waves carried voices when calling. When you talk on a cell phone, your cell phone acts as a transmitter and your voice is carried on radio waves to the person you are calling. And the last one is radio waves also carried music to FM radios.
Last but not least, the use of radio waves in satellite communication. Certainly, satellite communication relies on radio wave to transmit signals between Earth and satellites. Here's how it works. First one is conversion and bundling. The data such as TV broadcast, internet signals, or weather data is first converted into a suitable format for transmission. The data is then bundled into the radio wave. Next is satellite reception. The bundled radio wave is sent to the appropriate satellite. Onboard transponders within the satellite receive the wave. Then the transponder amplifies the signal, modifies its frequency band, and send it back either to a ground station on Earth or to another satellite. Radio wave and frequency also play roles in satellite communication. Radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation that travels at the speed of light. Unlike sound wave, they require no medium and can move through air and the vacuum of space. Satellites operate in specific frequency bands such as the Ka band, which allow for high-frequency communication. For example, an EM radiation station operates at a frequency of around 800 kHz cycle per second, while a Ka band satellite operates at approximately 28 GHz cycle per second. Last one is antennas on Earth. Antennas on Earth capture the signal transmitted by satellites. The antennas process the information carried by the radio wave, enabling communication between satellites and ground station. In summary, radio waves serve as the bridge connecting satellites and Earth, facilitating global communication, navigation, and the data exchange. In conclusion, wireless communication globally is something that people can expect as technology advances. Wireless communication has a lot of benefit and can make the world a lot more efficient. It does have concern, as with every other new advancement that is made in today's world. The issues with security regarding access to a person's personal information, or the negative impact that it may seem to have on society, are a few things that are holding back the process that wireless technology could be making. With more research and experiment conducted, the problems associated with wireless communication can be reduced and make it a more significant part of the world. Wireless technology will be very important in the near future, where the need for wires connecting individuals' devices seems to be coming to an end.